Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily fix the screen flickering problem on your Motorola Moto G45. So first what we want to do is we want to go over and select the settings first. Now go over to display and here change the brightness level. So change it up to your preference and make sure to disable the adaptive brightness. So make sure that this setting right here is disabled. And now what you guys can do is download the Screen Dimmer app from the Play Store. Now let's go over to the Play Store. Here go to search and search for the Screen Dimmer, and then select the OLED Saver. Now here let's click on the first app that popped up and click on install. Now it should take about 5 to 10 seconds at max. As you guys can see, the app weighs around 2 megabytes. Now we need to grant permissions. So the first one is to modify the system settings to read and change the brightness. Now this one is for the phone whenever it rotates and everything, so it also needs permissions for that, and the notifications to display a brightness slider. Now here, as you guys can see, we can change it, and here it will display the slider. So this is where we can also change it. Now let me disable it and change my brightness again. And now after that, what you guys can do is update your software. So go over to settings. Here in the settings, let's go over to system updates, and it's right here. So now click on check for updates and it will check for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of my software. If you're not, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important because it can fix a lot of glitches like this one. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.